insect, insect.
A small creature with 6 legs, for example a bee or a fly.
Ants, beetles, butterflies and flies are all insects. I've got some sort of insect bite on my leg.
Video, video.
Videos.
A short film that can be watched on television, a computer, a camera, etc.
Music videos. Video sites. They showed me their wedding video.
A film, television program, etc. recorded on a long, narrow, magnetic strip, or the recorded strip itself that is inside a rectangular plastic container.
He just used to stay in and watch videos. We had the whole series on video.
Rap, rap.
Rap. Rap.
A type of music in which the words are spoken and there is a strong beat.
A rap artist.
Air, air.
Air. Air.
Travel in an aircraft.
I don't travel much by air. Air travel.
The mixture of gases which surrounds the earth and which we breathe.
I went outside to get some fresh air. Blonde. Blonde. Blonde.
With pale yellow hair.
Blonde hair. Department store. Department store.
A large shop divided into several different parts, each of which sells different things.
First we'll go to May's department store, because things are so cheap there. Site. Site.
A website.
He visits a lot of music sites.
Pear, pear.
Pear. Pear.
An oval-shaped, pale green, or yellow fruit.
We had a delicious dessert of pears and cider.
Bean, bean.
A seed, or the pod containing seeds, of various climbing plants, eaten as a vegetable.
Soya beans. French beans. Coffee beans are the bean-like seeds of the coffee tree.
Soap, soap. Soap, soap.
A substance that you use for washing.
A bar of soap. Liquid soap. Soap and water.
Circle, circle.
Circle. Circle. Circle. Circulation. Circle. Circular.
A continuous curved line, the points of which are always the same distance away from a fixed central point, or the area inside such a line.
Colored paper was cut into circles, squares and triangles. We sat in a circle.
Hundred, hundred,
hundred, hundred, hundred or hundreds.
The number 100.
We've driven our 100 miles in the last 2 hours. How many children are there in the school? About 300. That dress costs hundreds of pounds.
skate, skate,
Skate, skating, skate.
A boot with a metal part on the bottom, used for moving across ice, or a boot with wheels on the bottom used for moving across the ground.
A pair of ice skates. A pair of inline or roller skates.
interested, interested,
Interest, interested, interesting, uninterested, uninteresting, interestingly.
Wanting to give your attention to something and discover more about it?
He didn't seem very interested in what I was saying. Sarah's at that age where she's starting to get interested in boys. I'd be interested to hear more about your work.
large, large,
Large, large, large, largely.
Big in size or amount.
A large house. The world's largest computer manufacturer. We need a larger car.